Hey guys, welcome back, and yes, it's another we need to fix Travis kind of video. It's getting more regular. The power steering leak's been sorted, we've done the oil filtering change, that hasn't really made much of a difference, so I'm hoping the contents of these two boxes, maybe that one, or this slightly bigger one, might make a difference. That one there is just trainers. Ignore that one. So yeah, it's been a busy few weeks trying to get to the bottom of the issues with Travis. Like I said, I got the oil and filter done a few weeks ago, that was clearly long overdue. The leak in coolant and the fact I've got an EGR warning light on my dashboard are the latest things to give me headaches. So time to try and get to the bottom of those issues. Thankfully, my workmate Vadym was offering to help. He's got his own YouTube, so go and check that out, give him a follow. And, well, yeah, time to just get unboxing the new parts. It's a new EGR valve. And the new thermostat. So first things first, we got the air filter housing removed. And Vadym at that point quickly discovered another potential issue. Not good.
This one looks like leaking.
Okay. All the problems I've been having with Travis could be pointing to a failing injector. So that is my nice new shiny EGR valve. Shiny, shiny! And that is my nice new thermostat. The air filter housing doesn't sit right at all. You can put your hand on it and that settles down the vibration, so it's missing a couple of washers. Luckily Vadym's got some spare, so we'll get that fixed and hopefully that'll make him a little bit quieter on tickover. Removing the old EGR wasn't too much of a ball ache, mostly due to the fact Vadym had done the last one, so he remembered his way about, and thankfully nothing's had a chance to seize up. Anyway, with the old one removed, it was time to get the new one fitted and tightened up. And I'm hoping that a brand new EGR might make some difference. Fingers crossed. Locating and removing the thermostat, well, that wasn't quite as straightforward. Not only did it take a little minute to locate, once it was found, getting the old bolts off proved, well, challenging. Right, well, the EGR is on. Vadym made light work of that, but in true typical Fordy fashion, the bolts and the thermostat won't move. So I don't know what we're going to do with that. Well, luckily for me, it turns out Vadym knew what to do. With the thermostat housing cooling off, we had a chance to take a look at the old one. It definitely looked like it was on its way out, so I think we timed this just nicely. When you compressed it, it definitely felt like it was sticking and not springing back like the new one does. There's more resistance in that second one, isn't there?
Yeah.
Here's a little hack, we had to use the old O-ring as the new one didn't quite fit right. Again, this is something Vadym says he sees all too often. It's a really common issue, and luckily we were able to borrow the O-ring off of the old thermostat. That still fits, so that'll do nicely. Is the one that stopped the bolt coming out very easily. good as new. Well, the thermostat's in, a little bit of grinding, and the dead bolt came out, so that's good. So we just need to put in some coolant, get the airbox back on, and take her for a test run and cross everything. And hope for the best.
Yes.
We just had to top up the coolant for the millionth time and hope for the best. For the next few days I was driving about and it definitely looked like I was still having issues with coolant loss. So, time to get it into the workshop to get the system pressure tested. Hopefully that would show us where the leak was. It took a wee minute, but that appears to be a leak.
Oh yeah, there it is, there. That's it there, isn't it?
Let me tell you, I have never in my life been so happy to see water coming out of a pipe. With the new one fitted and the system bled and topped up, well, job done, maybe. So yeah, I'm as happy as I can be with Travis at the minute. We've done a lot to him and there are still some issues to look out for. Whether or not that's a shot injector, I don't know. I have bought some injectors from work, but it turns out, and I only discovered this afterwards, you need the serial code that's printed up the side of them or on the top of them. You can get a QR code as well. You put that into the diagnostics software, that tells the ECU, yep, there's a new injector in. Problem being, the injectors I bought don't have anything stamped on them, it's all worn away. So effectively I've got 4 completely useless injectors sitting on my desk at work. Unless, of course, you know differently. Maybe there is a way of getting the serial numbers or the codes for them. If you know, let me know in the comments below, please, because that could turn out to be very handy if that injector is indeed gubbed. We don't know yet. We're going to take the airbox off again at some point and have a look. What a difference, by the way, putting those washers on the air filter housing has made. The engine was a little bit too loud before. The box was vibrating and rattling, and when you put your hand down on it, that kind of calmed it down. So Vadym's put some spare rubbers on underneath. That has made a huge difference. And obviously, the coolant level seems to be sitting fine as well, which is good. I just need to remember there'll be more water in the expansion tank when the engine's warm, like at the end of a drive, than there will be at the start when the engine's cold. I need to try and remember that because I'm always looking at it in the morning going, oh, the water level's dropped. It will have, not getting pushed through. So, plenty of positives, still a bit to do, but for the first time in ages, I'm feeling confident that I can actually take Travis on a run again. And handily enough, I'm off this week.